Hey y'all, welcome back to DiamondTrail Ranch. Today, we're taking you along for one of my favorite parts of the day. This is where we're going to be milking our sweet goats, Bambi, Dolly, and Dixie. If you love Nigerian Dwarf goats or you're curious about small-scale milking, you're in for a treat. First up, we have Bambi. She's our special mix. Bambi is a Nigerian Dwarf cross. She's a little taller and leggier than the others. She has a ton of personality packed into a bigger frame than the other two. Smaller though in general than you'll see with some of the other goats. She keeps us on our toes. She definitely acts like a dog. I don't know if you've seen Bruno in our other videos, but she is just super sweet and acts like Bruno, our big white and black dog. We like to keep things simple around here. We milk them twice a day usually, once in the morning and once in the evening, sunrise and sunset, after we feed everybody else typically. That way they're easier to bring out. The girls know the routine. We bring them to the milk stand one by one where they get a nice little treat. Usually they get the fresh grain, maybe some alfalfa pellets depending on what's going on that morning or an evening. You know, a nice little treat. It helps to keep them happy and still while we milk. We always make sure the stand, our hands, and the goat's udders are nice and clean before we start. So any mess you see is generally from the session currently in place. A quick wipe with a warm damp cloth helps get any dirt off the stand, hands, and udders. Keeps the milk fresh and clean. Sometimes, you know, if you're first getting into this, you might accidentally have your goat step into the milk and ruin an entire bucket of milk. Been there, done that, messed around, and we found out. Don't let that happen. I would like to remind you guys that if you are enjoying the content that you see, you can go ahead and click that like button, hit the bell, the notification bell there, click all, and it will give you, it will ping you for free at no cost. Every time we upload a short, a video, you name it. When we go live, I do live cams every week as well. So make sure you stick around. We have awesome content released daily on this channel. Milking is all about rhythm. When you can find it, like you saw earlier in this video, you nailed it. It's actually pretty relaxing. It gives you time to bond with your goats. You know, it's just great. Nigerian dwarves, in particularly, are known for their rich, creamy milk, even though they're smaller goats. They usually produce about 2 to 3 cups, you know, per milking, which is perfect for a small family like ours. I mean, just look at how gorgeous Bambi's udders are here. She's fantastic. She lives the dream. She's a great goat. Goats are generally pretty low maintenance. Beautiful udders. Big happy belly, healthy goat right here. Every goat is different. Some are natural standers. Others take a little more time and patience. Sometimes you really got to break them in and get them used to it. So, got a nice little special treat for you right here. Check out this tortoise. Gorgeous. Gorgeous tortoise. Alrighty, next up here is Dolly. She hops right up without hesitation. You know, we gently secure her, check her udder, wash her down. We're going to wipe down her udder here. Make sure you guys clean everything. You want to clean everything beforehand. You're going to check her udder. After you clean it, you're going to start milking. After we've milked everyone, we strain the milk immediately using a stainless steel filter and a clean jar. We use the milk for all sorts of things here. We make homemade cheese, you know, the fresh drinking milk, you name it. You can even use it for goat milk soap. A lot of people around here are using it to make soap. It's fantastic. It's so satisfying to know exactly where our food is coming from. Wouldn't you like to know where your food is coming from every day? Let me know in the comment section below if you're tired of all the additives and words you just can't pronounce in these foods. Fresh goat milk is packed with nutrients and it has a wonderfully creamy flavor. Milking goats isn't just about getting milk. It's about slowing down, building trust, and becoming part of the rhythm of the farm. You can see here the pattern we use with the udders, right? Bambi, Dolly, and Dixie. They're not just livestock to us here, they're family. These goats are family, you know? They're part of DiamondTrail Ranch. I do want to thank you guys so much for spending time today here with us at DiamondTrail Ranch and how we milk our goats. These guys here, or these women, sorry, they're great milkers. We're constantly looking for new milkers and ways to improve our homestead ventures. So if you have any tips, suggestions, what you do differently, what you would do, what you like, let me know in the comment section below. We do reply to everything. We see all comments. So if you could just let us know. So here shortly you're going to see our next goat, Dixie, who is also an absolutely phenomenal milker, just like Dolly right here. You can see the way there is a rhythm, there is a science behind this and what we do. We take this bucket, we loosen up her where her head is, we swap out the goats. Happy goat, that's Dixie in the background. You can see, you notice there in the background, they know their turns, you know. It's great, it's beautiful. They swap out, she'll come right in here, and they jump right in on the stand on their own. It's really cool how they do that. By the way, if you need any advice or tips on how to make a goat stand, let us know. We also have schematics, you know, you name it, we can provide all that for you guys. A cup of coffee goes a long way. Look at her udders, folks. Look at those udders. Look at that. Look at that udder. Absolutely unreal. She is just the most majestic thing with milk. Thank you guys. Stick around for our next video. I hope you have an absolutely amazing year. God bless. And watch how we clean her udder and finish up with Dixie here. Let me know in the comment section below what you want to see next, guys. Thank you. Homes like this was here in '78. So like anybody that has acreage, generally, somebody already has it. You know what I mean? Like it's already, we've been here for hundreds of years. It's all claimed already. So unless we found a weird situation.